Hey friends, in this video we are going to create a smart and modern portfolio website. So if you are targeting a website for a personal portfolio or an agency portfolio, this video can be very helpful for you. You can see on the screen a smart website, the smart slider that you can see here, and there are many options with the theme that we are going to use at overview in this video, and that can help you, that can make you to create a amazing and super modern portfolio website that can really attract your attention of visitors, and really it is going to help you in promoting your business or services in many ways. So the theme is Alsi and Ajax Asli. So sorry, theme name is Asli and it is a Ajax portfolio Elementor WordPress theme. So you can see the technology Ajax. So this is why it is making the theme loading in a super amazing way, and it is a Elementor-based portfolio WordPress theme, and it has been developed by our team Sam King and their lead author at themeforest.net at Invato Market. Right. So we are going to use this theme for our this target website project, and we have multiple layouts that we can choose for our website project in form of a portfolio website. And Asli brings, in fact, multiple home pages, the slider types, and there are many that you can explore through the video description link. But yes, in this video, we are going to use all these things to make a super modern portfolio website. To begin, I have ready core installation of WordPress, and it has the default WordPress theme as of now, and I'm using this cPanel based hosting plan that you can also avail at WP Themes website through the video description link. And again, once you decide to take the theme Asli, so a video description link will help you in buying the theme at themeforest.net. That is an affiliate link, and you need to spend just $59. So in this $59, you are going to get quality check by Envato, future updates for this theme, 6 months support from the theme developer itself, and in addition to this, you are going to get a free pass to join the iCreate program, where you can take any help, all helps for your WordPress website on a live chat, in a personal interaction, and all. Right. Okay, so all is for you, and the theme got a recent update on 6 May. I mean, yesterday only, so it is being regularly updated. It means we are going to get all the updated stuff with the theme pack. So in the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, the child theme, the licensing, Elementor templates. Okay, good. Elementor templates are also here, and documentation and some bundle plugins, ACF, and the Asli code. All right. So we are going to use this installable theme file first of all. Okay. To proceed forward with the installation, we can go to the appearance section for the themes, and here we can add new theme and upload theme. We need to choose the installable theme file here. That is asli.chip. So click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds since the theme file size is really very small. It is a well optimized WordPress theme. So Ajax and Elementor is the technical advantage with this theme, and you can see the theme got installed within seconds, and we can go to the theme page just to check the details. Further, Asli is here along with the default theme, and this is version 1.8.5. It is always important to get updated version at Theme Forest of the theme pack. So Theme Forest is the destination where you can buy the theme, and it is always requested to follow the description link only, so that you may get correct theme and we may get some bucks through affiliate programs, right? um okay, so let us activate the theme, and upon activation, we have this setup wizard, and it is welcoming to Asli, and we can go with this wizard. This can be helpful. Install child theme when you are not targeting to edit any code, so you can skip installing the child theme, and we can simply activate the LC by putting the license key that we will get at the theme pack. And after activating the theme, we can proceed to next step, which is install plugin screen, and we can see the advanced custom field Pro plugin is here. Asli Core, Elementor, Pro Elements, Contact Form 7, and all these plugins are here. So we can simply click on this install button that will help us in installing all the listed plugins. So it will take a while, but yes, it is a automated process. You just need to wait to on all these tick marks and to green. And finally, the WooCommerce, the last plugin that is listed here is being installed. You can see all green marks here. So all the plugins have been successfully installed. It is very important to install all the plugins without any error, and all listed plugins can help us in getting optimal feature at our website. Only 4 are required, but yes, it is recommended to install all the listed plugins here. Now the next screen is import content. So this is demo import, and in the advanced option we can opt what actually we want to have at our website, and for fresh installation it is already all selected. So we can simply click on import button and it will start the demo content import process at our installation. It is a time taking process. It may take even 10 minutes depending upon the number of images, the hosting that we are using for our WordPress website, and even the internet speed, and also dependent factors are here. So just in case if it is taking longer, you can check with the you know your PHP resources how it is actually allotted. And in case if you have any trouble in importing demo, installing the theme, you can simply write in the comment section of this video, or start a direct chat with a mentor here who can help you in installing the theme in proper manner and even completing your website. So all is for you. It is on 9% in just few seconds, so we can wait until it goes to 100%. And it took around 6 or 7 minutes for me, and I missed the recording the screen that was showing the 100% content import. But yes, the next screen is all done. Have fun, and it clearly means the demo content imported successfully. And we have some extras. Okay, so first of all we can check our new website, and after that, once it goes fine, I'll show you the backend and how we can start customizing our website using the Asli WordPress theme, that is a dedicated theme for portfolio website. And here it is. I'm happy to see this actually it was amazing, and it was so easy to create this amazing portfolio website using the Asli WordPress theme. And it is like infinite scroll, and I have menu and the home pages, the infinite list, and the vertical. Okay, great. So all this good, and I can see the pages. Okay, really, it is great. So for a portfolio website, none other than this is going to be a very good choice, I believe. Somehow it is going to the developer side, but yes, we have successfully installed our website, and now we can proceed for importing them. I mean, editing the content. Sorry, and this is all available with the menu and all the items, home pages, full screen sliders, and the interactive links and all. Great. So I'll show you the backend now to show you how we can proceed for customization and what actually uh, we received in this demo import. First of all, I'll show you the pages so that you may get an idea how many pages we have received in the demo import. Okay, 69 published pages. Okay, great. So we can use these pages, like contacts pages are here, click and hold. And I believe multiple home pages that we seen in the beginning of the video, like all home pages, home page 3 light. And I can show you randomly the home page 5, 3, 5. So this is the 5 one. And I'm also handling some chats for supports. However, there is a complete team to handle your chats and supports at iCreate program. So you can simply ask your questions from WordPress mentor. Okay, so this is layout 5. And similarly, we have received all the home pages that we can directly choose for our website project. Right, and this is the homepage 3 light. This is equally great. And okay, so we got all the content here, and we got all the home pages, all the internal pages that we can use directly at our website project. So it is great. And if I check the media items, how many media items was included, however, we are ultimately going to change these media contents 338, 38, right? And the post we can check here. So all 6 posts. Okay, right. And in the portfolio items, I can see the portfolio items, that is the main thing for this installation, and we can easily edit the portfolio items using Elementor page builder. So I'll show you one of the portfolio items and how we can simply edit with Elementor. So Elementor is very easy and easy to use and easy to handle page builder. So this is the portfolio item that we can directly edit using Elementor, right? So what we just need to keep in mind, you just use the same dimension of image and same length of text content what has been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity. So portfolio can be handled in the portfolio items, and you can add new portfolio. Further, we have services, and that also can be edited or handled using the Elementor page builder. And next is what is new. WooCommerce is here just in case if you are planning to make an e-commerce website. This theme supports the WooCommerce as well. These are some products that is already added. You can upload your own product, of course. And next is the advanced custom fields if you need to modify anything. However, it is internally used, and the theme setup we have already used. And the basic customization option, there is no theme panel I can see here. So the basic customization options like identity, like logo, you can change here in the customize options, and these things are very simple, and you can simply use the Elementor page builder to handle all the content throughout your website. I feel I have already shown you much of the things about this theme, and you can create an amazing portfolio website using the Asli WordPress theme. I must tell you, this is a very advanced Ajax portfolio Elementor WordPress theme, and it has been developed by our team Sam Kim and their elite author at the Invato Market. So when you are buying the theme through the video description link, that is an affiliate link, you'll get all the supports regarding your WordPress website through the iCreate program. However, you can do all these things at your own, and you can install the theme, start customizing your website, putting your own content, and we will be readily available to help you everywhere. And in case if you have any quick question, you can even write in the comment section. So I am sure you have already subscribed this channel, and if not, please subscribe the channel and don't miss to pressing the bell button. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. And another thing, you have more choices for your portfolio website on this channel itself. You can explore other themes as well, explore the things, compare the things, choose the best that can make your website really amazing, and start creating your website. With the help of iCreate team, you can launch your website in a successful and performing manner. So start creating. We are here, and all together we can create great websites for you. Thank you.